Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Alternatively, you can also use shortcut key, Alt plus H plus L. When you click on the drop-down of conditional formatting, you shall receive various options. Select the first option, highlight cells rules, and the sub-option as duplicate values.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Find and remove duplicates. Select the cells you want to check for duplicates. Click Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, Duplicate Values. In the box next to Values with, pick the formatting you want to apply to the duplicate values, and then click OK.
Take our lead.
Click OK. Press Ctrl plus C to copy the duplicate values and select a cell, and press Ctrl plus V to paste them. Tip: if you need, you can apply Data Remove Duplicates function to remove the duplicates in the Duplicates column. For more about select duplicate and unique cells.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.